What's up, Algebra 1? Mr. Catlin here, or Lil Catlin, as you guys like to refer to me, doing lesson 16 cool down. Now, first period, I think you guys did this in class, so you probably don't need to watch this. We got it done in class. But second period, I don't think we got to it. So let's look at this bank account. If it's anything like me, I like to make that paper. So I like to have my bank account full of Benjamins and just rolling with fat stacks. A bank account that earns 1% interest each month has a balance of $1,500, and any interest is deposited into the account, and no further deposits or withdrawals are made. Now, Noah thinks that after 2 months, the balance is going to be 1,530 because he's saying 1% for the first month, another percent for the second. So that's a total of 2% of the 1,500, which is $30. And so he just added the 30 to 1,530. Do we agree with that? Explain our reasoning. Now, we talked about that today, that whenever you stack percentage growth like this, it's not going to be by addition. Okay, Noah is wrong, but he's barely wrong. And we're going to prove why right here. So let's look at it. We don't agree with Noah, so we're going to say no. No, you don't repeat percentage growth with addition. You can't do 1% plus 1% is 2%. Okay. You can't do, and let's just show the difference. All right. So like if I take 1,530 and I multiply by 1.02, okay, this is what Noah wants to do, right? This is Noah's idea. I'm going to find 2% of what I started with. That is not equal to what really is happening, because what really is happening is you're taking the 1,530, you're multiplying it by 1.01 the first month, and then you're multiplying it by 1.01 again, that's a point, for the second month, which is equivalent to 1,530 times 1.01 to the second power. These are not the same things, and we can prove that with our calculator. All right, so I'm going to jump over to the calculator and prove that that's true real quick, nice and smooth like with my shades on. So let me jump over there to my calculator. Bada bing and a bada boom. That's the wrong one. That's the graph. Let's go to the right one and watch while it spins and loads. While you're enjoying this nice loading time, let me just tell you about my smooth jazz channel on 93.2, bringing you smooth jazz all the time, everywhere. All right, back to the calculations. We're doing 1.01, and we're raising that to the power of 2 to show a 1% growth back to back years. And if you look at it, it's barely different, but it's not 1.02, it's 1.0201. Right? We're kind of like splitting hairs, but that's different because if you multiply that answer, if you take that answer and you multiply it by the $1,500 that you started with, it's going to tack on an extra 15 cents. And that is not the same as multiplying it by 1.02. Slightly different. And I know that seems tedious, but that is correct. So let's go back to our cooldowns and let's talk about that. So whenever I do this, I get $1,530.15. That's not equal to what Noah did, which would have been $1,530. And I think I messed up on that, guys. I should go back. Sorry. Let me fix my mistake. I was just trying to be too cool. Erase that and then put on double zeros there. We started with $1,500, right? Not 1,530. I was going to the end amount first. But we can see that those don't equal the same thing. And I'm getting cut offline, so I guess that's time to go. Peace out. Later.